If you are wondering if you can use a 100 watts power adapter for Redmi A7 Pro, whether the phone supports it or not, then the answer is both yes and no, and it actually depends on what is your expectation. Because if you have a power adapter already and you are wondering if you should upgrade it to 100 watts, then in that case there is probably no point of doing so. I mean, at least if you have at least 15 watts power adapter, then it's no need to actually upgrade the power adapter to purchase a faster one, simply because the phone can use up to 15 watts in order to charge the battery. So in that case, if you get a faster power adapter, whether it has 50, 75, 100, 125 watts, it doesn't really matter because the charging speed will not be any faster. But if you already have a power adapter that has 100 watts, and if you are wondering if you can use it in order to charge the phone, then the answer is yes. The charger is still going to work, you should still be able to use the power adapter to charge the phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.